Hi everybody, Billy here from Rich Solar. As promised in the last video, we would have new products this summer. Well, summer's arrived and so have our new products. Let me be proud to introduce to you our Mega 250 Watt Pros. The Mega 250 Watt Pro is a 24 volt panel. Why would you need a 24 volt panel? Well, 24 volt panels have a higher voltage and a lower amperage. Some applications will require you to have a higher voltage to run certain equipment. A lower amperage is really good for when you're going to parallel a lot of panels together. Let's say you have a rig with, you're going to be in a lot of shade and shadowing. Having it in parallel allows for one panel to be shaded while the other panel is still producing for you. These 24 volt panels still have the split energy technology, so if one half is shaded, the other half will continue to work for you. But in applications where the whole panel is shaded, in parallel, the other panel will still produce for you. Low amperage means you have less line loss over distance. The former panels, the 12 volt panels, had 32 cells. In order to make these 24 volt panels, the cells have been cut in half. So now you have 64 separate cells with 16 bus bars. And of course, the Mega 250 Watt Pros come in silver and onyx to fit your lifestyle. Honestly, this is the most fun part of my job. I get to introduce you new products that are coming in. We have even more products coming in the future. Stay tuned for what's coming next. If you have any questions on the 250 watt panels, Pro, regular, 200 watts, any inverters or batteries, we have it all here and we're more than willing and happy to answer any of your questions. Give us a call or email us, richsolar.com. And as always, have a solar day.